Hello class, this is Robert Smith coming at you from Java 2, Week 2, Term 1407, zero 06, and this is my Week 2 reflection video. Jump right into the questions. What are my thoughts about multiple activities? Exploring multiple activities is very important. There's not many activities that don't utilize multiple activities, so it's a good thing we're learning about them. Thoughts on explicit and implicit intents. I think Android handles them very well, especially implicit intents. It's very nice how Android allows you to access the system resources so easily. That was by far the easiest part of this week's assignment. What could I have done differently if you could? There's just a lot of room for improvement in the application, and I'm just going to keep on improving it as the month goes along. The only thing I can use more clarification is how to how to get persistent data in the app. It wasn't really covered very well. In reference to the other stuff was covered better than persistent data was. I'm assuming that either later on in this course or later on in the Java block it'll be covered more in depth. But we'll jump into the code. I used a start activity for result intent, and first of all I rearranged things a bit. Instead of using a simple adapter, I created my own custom adapter. This took the most time because I couldn't get it to work right, and it was a simple fix, but it was just took a lot of troubleshooting. And I'm using a movie data class to store properties about particular movies. And in my main activity, when someone clicks on the list, an item in the list view, this method will get the position in which they clicked. We have some local strings. We're setting those local strings to the properties depending on which position it's in, and then we're building an intent and we're passing all those properties. And then we're in the detail activity. In the finish method, we are passing back some properties relating to whether they clicked on the rating bar, so that it will display the alert dialog, which is built here. And then also we're setting, we have our public string variables and all of our all of our elements right here, and then we're instantiating all of them, and then we're grabbing that intent that we passed from main activity and we're setting all those, and then we're displaying them down here. Just setting the text views to, we're setting the text, the string variables to the text views. Easy as that. I also use a third-party library called Picasso, which is extremely easy makes it extremely easy to work with images grabbed from the web. All you need is a context, the URL, and an image view to place it in. It's as easy as it could get. And then we have our listener to see if the rating bar changed. It'll save the rating bar, and then we'll build that intent and pass it back to the main activity to display the alert view. That's about it. We'll take a look at the finished app. Go back to the so we will click on Godzilla. We can view Godzilla on Rotten Tomatoes, watch the trailer, do whatever we want, and give it a rating. Click the back button, Godzilla 5.0, and then go to another one and do the same thing. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys at the Hangout on Monday.